All right, so what we do here, bro? What changed?
All right, so what changed? We did.
All right, guys. You see the prep for what? Our drag build giveaway number 8, the Undertaker. You can go now to StangMode.com, grab some merch, and to win this beautiful Whipple supercharged Mustang and 30,000 cash. Woo! That is some prep for you. So we're ready. You're ready. StangMode.com. Good luck. What's up, fam? What this message finds you all well and in great spirits? Well, today's the day we are, yes, picking up Hulk's motor. I'm so excited. Part 2, here we go. We're going to go to L&M, grab the real 5.2 built GT500 here. If you watched last video, a couple small things went down in compression so I can run 93, so I can drive the car more daily from 11 to 1 to 10 to 1. And we're going to slap it back into Hulk, and we're going to just be quick with it because we got some racing content to do. But first, let's go pick it up. Let's check it out. Big stuff, big time. And also, guys, it goes without saying, if you have not entered, enter now. The Undertaker Whipple giveaway number 8, Mustang GT and 30,000 cash, presented by our friends at Lethal. Please go to StangMode.com, grab some merch, and to win this car, not this car, but that car, and 30 cash for just $1 an entry. So go now. The mystery box is still live. They're going to be ending shortly. So get it while you can. Get what's hot. But let me shut up. Let's go back to the best engine builders in the game, L&M Engines. Let's go. All right, guys, here we are back at L&M. Hot one, sweating. Hulk's motor's finished, ready to go. Woo! Looking fresh. Again, if you don't know, we went down in compression, new pistons, new gaskets. Went back to stock cans for now. We're gonna switch them up for later down the video, and we're headed back home. Everything else look good, Chuck? Chris? Try to listen. I was just talking to Chris. Chuck, you know.
Chuck's got like 2 feet on me.
I know. Listen, Chuck and I talk so much. Like it's no, everything's cool with Hulk's motor, Chris.
Yeah, everything's good with Hulk's motor.
All right, cool.
Good to go. It's all back together.
I was calling the big boss in there. We got a Coyote coming for you in a couple weeks.
Another engine to build.
This one's not blown up though.
Okay.
So we're gonna do another process. So I'm excited. We're gonna bring the Mamba's Coyote here for you.
All right.
It does have 40,000 miles on it, but it did go 8s, stock block. But we're on borrowed time.
Yeah.
So we're gonna, take it apart, see what you find, see when you upgrade, and have some fun again.
Works for me.
Because I know you're not busy.
No, not at all. I mean, no, we don't look swamped.
No, not swamped at all.
Not at all.
All right, man. I appreciate y'all being in touch, and we'll see you with the Coyote soon.
Good luck with the car.
All right, thank you, man. All right, guys, little teaser action. Yes, we will be bringing Mamba's heart here to L&M Engines to be taken apart and make sure everything's in ship shape. So you guys love the engine content here at L&M Engines, so we'll bring it to you. But for now, we're gonna load up Thor with Hulk's heart once again. All right, let's do this. So yes, I kind of spoiled the surprise, but we are gonna build Mamba's motor. Mamba's motor is gonna, I gotta get this damper over to them. I owe that to them from Chuck. ATI damper. Chris, I owe you the damper from, I shouldn't have had this closed. Almost had the escape on it. Chuck, so you know what this is about?
I know what it's all about. Brandon's #1 customer.
Oh, all right. Well, we got the damper. I'm a delivery service as well, so there you go. ATI damper, yep. And if you guys don't know, the broken block for Hulk has been shipped off to made into furniture, so we got that coming back for you. So, good stuff, good stuff. So what we do here, bro? What changed?
All right, so what changed? We did, the engine came in because we had a possible issue with the head gasket. We checked that out, took care of that. Also, we had talked about lowering the compression so that way you can run 93. A little bit safer for you driving to an event, or whatever. Car show event, not a racing event.
Yeah.
Because racing will go E85, right?
Sure.
And other than that, I mean, it was the first GT500 we had. 2020 we had.
Yeah.
We got to come back that we had built, so we got to check it all out.
Yeah, I think what I was telling the audience, we went over the top by bringing it out again because, and plus selfishly, I wanted to go back to be able to be. A lot of people said, now you have to answer the audience for me.
Okay.
They were like, why would you go down in compression and run 93? Now, can you answer that for the audience?
It's a lot easier around here for us to get 93 than it is to get E85.
Correct.
So from driving, whether you're doing car show to car show or you're driving all the way to South Carolina for a Mustang week or whatever, you're going to be able to get 93 anyway.
Yeah, and people said, oh, you can just stay out of boost and keep 11 to 1.
It's safer running the 10.5 to 1.
Yeah, exactly.
Than it is running an 11 to 1 piston.
Because easily, what I can do is, and you heard, I just cut you off again. Say that one more time.
It's easier to run the 93 octane with a little bit of boost than it is to run E85 and try to stay out of it.
Exactly. So basically, I can manipulate the tune to where I can have 93 and I can still do fun driving it. Like I can go watt basically.
Yeah, you can still have fun with the car.
Exactly. I mean, what's the point of like, just stay out of it? You know how hard that is?
Yeah, it's too hard, especially on these cars. Way too hard to stay out of it.
So yeah, that's why I went back to 93 because if you guys don't know, the 500 gets like 8 miles to the gallon. So it's bad. It is bad. So now we got 93 and E85 capability, new gaskets, new pistons. And did we go back to stock cams for our later video?
We went back to stock cams just to back up our horsepower gains that we got with our cams.
There's been, and you guys will see this in the future, because we wanted to get better baseline information. Right. So what we're gonna do is, there are stock cams in there now, but in the later video, later down the road, we're gonna dyno this with stock cams, put an L&M, and then people can really see the difference.
Yep, and we're gonna do everything the same day.
We'll have that information for everybody, and then I'm gonna be bugging you a lot in the next few months, dude.
That's all.
Between this and the Coyote, I'm
not busy or anything.
I know. Well, that's the update on the Hulk. It's gonna be back, and I'm gonna come back to you with the Coyote. So.
All right, can't wait for it.
Appreciate you guys. Check out L&M Engines, the best Mustang engine builders in the game. Link in the description. Check them out. It's all good.
What the fuck are you doing?
All right.
Seal them up tight.
I know. It looks so good. Boy, I tell you what, man, this truck has come in so much handy. I love it. Another appreciation, folks, for Thor. Love this truck. But anyways, let me just talk about what's happening. We're going to take it back over to C&D Autotech at Chuck, and then we are going to be slapping her back in to Hulk and ready to go. It's game time. Be afraid. Can I just say, I hate 95. I hate 95. I hate 95. Love the motor. All right, guys, we're back. Look at this stranger. Ah, very nice. That Undertaker.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me, I kind of prematurely put the thing here, but. All right, let's do this. I got 8,000 miles in this car already, jeez. Let me over miles really fast. Oops. All right, guys, reunited again. Rick, we talked about different motor setup, stock cams, lower compression, but gonna go back to Hulk here. I'm so excited. And if we haven't said it before, we're gonna actually dyno tune this here at C&D Autotech. So that's gonna be exciting. So here it is, guys. Yep. I did spill the beans that we are going to be sending Mamba's block to L&M. So
Exciting.
that's exciting. And we'll do a full teardown to see what a stock block 8-second Coyote looks like inside after 40,000 miles. But for now, we have this beautiful Predator, as they call it.
Put her next to
Yeah, you know it.